Hello, Internet, and thank you very much for tuning in to the Cloud Native Islamabad YouTube channel. And for all of the new subscriber, we're actually planning to do another workshop on the Flux. This channel is full of content with the Flux. We have done some wonderful workshop back in the day with Stefan Prodhan and bunch of other cool community guys as well. And that's no further. We actually been introducing a new workshop that is planning with the Flux maintainers. Both actually been joining us for this workshop that's coming up. So, Leigh, Capili, can you give us a quick intro of how you actually, what you're been doing these days?
Hey friends, it's Leigh from the Flux project, working with Stefan and Mateus over at Control Plane, along with a bunch of other very talented cloud native and security experts. And I'm just really excited to be joining Saim and Zubair to talk to you about all of the wonderful things that we've been implementing in Flux over the last year. The 2.7 release is coming up.
Awesome. So another guy, Zubair, who's been also a very active maintainer into the Flux project. Zubair, give us a quick intro and tell us what your day-to-day job going to look like.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Zubair. I'm currently working at GA as a senior platform engineer. I've done a couple of contributions for the Flux projects in the past, worked with Mateus and a little bit with Leigh, so I'm very excited to be here.
Awesome, wonderful. So guys, we actually been planning a workshop on the Flux, and I've been hearing that 2.7 will be rolling out, and I'm really excited because you will be giving us a very quick glimpses at what's coming up next. So Leigh, can you please tell us what my audience can expect from this upcoming workshop?
We're gonna be hands-on keyboard. I think Zubair is gonna be jumping into a cluster and showing some of the performance and monitoring tools that you can get from a Flux install. And we're gonna do our best to also show you what it looks like to do GitOps, but without depending on Git infrastructure, like at the continuous delivery and reconciliation point that Flux is so well known for being secure, reliable, and scalable at. And Flux 2.7, Flux in general, excels at this thing called Gitless GitOps, right? Using OCI artifacts, using your image repo as a way to also deliver config to all of your fleet of clusters. But something else is coming in Flux 2.7, and that is the external artifacts API and source composition. We even have a new controller. It's called Source Watcher. And Zubair, I think we could probably squeeze a little bit of that kind of thing into a demo. What do you think?
Right. Yeah, I'm excited to see that. One of the things I've always wanted to show, something that Leigh and Pinky have broadcasted before in a talk, is I want to show the Headlamp plugin. Flux has always been the most powerful tool, but I want to show its versatility as far as user experience, giving users that great observability factor of watching their changes reconcile in real time on a user interface. So I'm very excited to bring that to the table.
Awesome. This seems like a very wonderful workshop coming up for some of the Flux people who have been doing and working with Flux on daily basis. Zubair, I think you have done some contribution into the Flux employers. So give us a quick glimpses of what you have been done and what we can actually expect from upcoming workshop from you.
So yes, as Leigh mentioned, we're going to go to some of the public GitHub repos that are maintained by Control Plane, and we're going to be able to bootstrap a cluster, and we're going to show the user experience feature of the cluster being reconciled in real time by using the Headlamp plugin, and then I'm going to show a little bit of the Gitless GitOps, but we're also going to show the new 2.7 GA features that are going to be brought to you. I think they're dropping right before KubeCon or at that time. So it's going to be kind of hot off the press. And it's just very excited to show people these new features.
Awesome. That's a wonderful story. And guys, don't forget to remember this because the FluxCon, the very first version of the FluxCon, the co-located event at the KubeCon is happening. And we actually been seeing there might be people are missing the FluxCon. So we're giving you the glimpses of what the Flux is all about in the upcoming workshop. So make sure you hit the subscribe and alerts is on because this workshop is full of content because we have actual maintainers from the Flux team who have been doing this work on daily basis, and that's their passion and that's their excitement. and looking forward to meeting you again for the upcoming workshop. So stay tuned to Cloud Native Islamabad YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day, and thank you very much, Leigh and Zubair. We will be meeting you in a very short version of time in the next one. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.